Ba't nait ng lizard?
Food.
Yung food. Kitty nga. Kitiin mo nga, mami. Kitty. Ikaw, kikilitiin ko. Kikilitiin kita ng... Ikaw naman, kitty. Tawag sa akin.
Lizard.
Lizard. Ano kay lizard? Mami. Kitty. Kitty. Ba't ako kilikiliti? Kaloko eh. Kitty. Matatapos ang pagtutupi.
Picture.
Picture.
Like this. Like this.
Like this.
Like.
6, 7. Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, are you happy? Ha? New toy naman. Bagong order. Sa TikTok. Oh. Tuwa-tuwa niya. Train, tutut. Tuwang-tuwa. Appreciate niya yung mga ganyan. Educational.
Yes. Come here. Open.
Told ya. We might have 3 bags full, but you're going to jail. But I guess a birdcage will do too.
Look at exercise. Going.
Busy.
Oh, busy? Ba't busy?